So at Autosparx, we're asked a lot now about can immobilisation. For example, the Ghost, the Nemesis, the Scorpion X, the Phantom. There's lots of them. They all ultimately do the same thing: prevent your vehicle from being driven or started without a PIN code being entered. Now, you enter a PIN code via a selection of button pushes. You can typically have up to 20 button pushes. Any of these, a unique combination for the driver. Obviously 20 is a little bit excessive. We normally say 3 or 4 or 5, something like that. Every time you get out of the vehicle, the system auto arms, and then when you get back in the vehicle, on this particular vehicle, the Mercedes G-Wagon, it will let you start the vehicle, but it won't let you select the gear until you enter your code. So we put a demo code in for this one, just to show you how easy it is. So we use these paddles. So we go 3 up on this paddle, 1 up on this paddle, and then we'll get an acknowledgement warning light flash to tell us what the system's doing. So now the engine's running. Okay, so I'll try and select a gear. So we put it in drive. See, drive's fine, no problem. Put it in reverse, no problem at all. Okay, so we can turn the vehicle off. We can turn the vehicle on, no problem at all. Okay, now the system, that's because the system's disarmed. I've disarmed it using the PIN code. So if we open the door, you need to turn the ignition off and open the door. As soon as you open the door, you'll see a flash on the instrument light. Instrument cluster. There we go, 2 flashes there. That tells the system's now armed. So as soon as the ignition's off, doors open, system's armed. So we get back in the vehicle, start the vehicle up. So some vehicles will allow you to start but not drive. Others will allow you just not to start. This is nice because being able to start but not drive allows you to turn your air conditioning on, leave your car running for a little while, go and have a cup of coffee while you're waiting for it to warm up or cool down, knowing that nobody can drive it off, because as soon as you try and select a gear, it just bounces back. Okay, so now forward or reverse is just not letting us select a gear. Okay, my foot's on the brake, nothing. Okay, so the vehicle's running, but it won't let us take it away until we put the code in. So code entry, as I say, we use these buttons here. So 1, 2, 3, over the other side, 4. You see a flash there on the instrument cluster on the warning light. That tells the system's now disarmed. So now if I was to select a gear, there we go, we've got drive gear, and we've got reverse gear. That's fine. So we've disarmed the system. It's acknowledged with a flash on the warning light, and it allows us to drive as normal. Now the acknowledgement flash is different for different vehicles. So you might get a main beam warning light flash, an indicator warning light flash, the P symbol flash for the gear select. So there's different signals signalling your arming, disarming for different vehicles. But now to arm the system, we're going to turn the immobiliser off, turn the ignition off. Then we're going to open the door. There we go, you see your 2 flashes there. System's now armed. Now we can start the vehicle as before. Try to select a gear, bounces back, won't let us select a gear. So there we go, we've got to put the PIN code in. 1, 2, 3, 4, flash of the thing, select the gear, easy as that. So that's system armed and disarmed. Importantly as well, you can put this in service mode. So if you're taking a car for valet parking or servicing work and you don't want to disclose your code to the garage, you can put it in service mode manually by entering a PIN code, as we've done here, and then when you get the vehicle back, you take it out of service mode manually, and then it's back to auto arming when you open the door. So it's a nice simple system to use, but nice and effective, pretty covert as well from an installation point of view. If you need to know more or check compatibility with your car, give us a call, 0330 010 0506. Thanks for watching.